if you were to advise an insurance company based on your learnings from that book, what are one or two messages you might feed to them?
Well, I guess the two messages I would give is one, that there's a real benefit to value-based pricing. That we really would like to align the price with the value of the product, not the cost of developing the product or other things, not simply a lower price because we want lower prices. Of course, in some sense, everybody does, but that we would like to, in a way, mimic other markets where price reflects value. We don't want to pay above value because there are better uses of resources. We don't want to pay below value, though, because again, we want to send the right signals to the innovators. But the other big issue is an affordability issue, that the value-based price might not address, solve, and often doesn't, the affordability issue. Now, the affordability issue is a matter of trying to lower out-of-pocket spending for patients when there are drugs that they really need. If there are really drugs that people need, there's not good reasons to confront them with high cost sharing. We have cost sharing because we want to prevent inappropriate use. And there may be a place for that in certain kinds of areas, but if we're looking at a patient with cancer or, I don't know, any serious illness, we would like to reduce incentives for patients to acquire products. But that means lowering co-payments and maybe even raising premiums. Now, it also means trying to displace items and services that are now being paid for that have lower value.
Right.
So there's all of this, I think, in the affordability question. And these are very hard issues. And, we come up with this book and these ideas around value-based pricing with, a dose of humility because we recognize the challenges. But we should aim in the right direction. Try to get value-based prices and try to lower copays and cost sharing drugs that people really need. And healthcare that people really need, not just drugs.
So am I hearing you suggest that there is a swath of high need, high value drugs that should be in the $0 copay or maybe incentivized to take the drug, much like they do in the vaccine arena?
Yes, absolutely.